Hey everyone, so today we're going to be going over how to obtain your working factor using your yield adjustment formula. So your working factor is the number used to increase or decrease the quantity of each ingredient listed on the AFRS card. So this is your formula for the yield adjustment. So it's your portions to prepare. So PTP is just an abbreviation for it, over your AFRS, which always yields to 100. So PTP divided by 100 equals your working factor. So this first one, you have 479 portions to prepare, so that's going to be your top number. So all you got to do is 479 divided by 100. So 479 divided by 100, that equals 4.79. So this is your answer. This is your working factor. Another way you could do it is also put your decimal here to the end and move it to the left twice. So the answer would, and then your decimal would end right here next on the right side of the 5. So the answer to that one, of course, would be 5.62. So those are the two ways you could do this particular problem. So 0.562 is your working factor for this one. So you guys could pause the video and then continue on after, so you could work on it on yourselves. So 34, you could either again put your decimal here, move it to the left twice, which this one would be 0.34 as your working factor. Or you could always put it in your calculator. So 9 divided by 100, 0.09. So of course, your portions to prepare were 9, you just divided by 100, which equaled 0.09. So that would be your working factor for this one, 12. So your portions to prepare, which is 12 divided by 100, equals 0.12. Again, you could either divide by 100 or move the decimal twice. So I'm going to just move the decimal twice on this one. 1, 2. So this one would be 17.22. This one, so 89, which is your portions to prepare, divided by 100. 89 divided by 100, 0.89. So this is pretty much simple math. You could even do it in your head, but it's always good to make sure you're correct. So doing it in a calculator is always better. So this one I'm going to move this decimal to the left twice. So 1, 2. So that one will be a 0 right here. So this one ended up being 0.07. So again, this was how we obtained our working factor using the yield adjustment formula.